These are the top 5 free macOS apps that you didn't know you needed. First up is dockdoor, a game changer for multitaskers. Taking inspiration from Windows, this app allows you to preview open windows just by hovering over app icons in your dock. No more hunting through multiple windows to find the one you need, it's all right there at a glance. Dockdoor is especially useful for users who have multiple apps open simultaneously and need to switch between them quickly. It integrates seamlessly with macOS, maintaining the native look and feel while enhancing functionality. Not only does dockdoor let you preview windows by hovering over the app, dockdoor also allows for Alt-Tab-like window switching just like you would find in Windows, allowing for quick switching between tabs, making multitasking a breeze. Plus, you could customize the hover delay or change the preview size to make it work even better for your needs. Say goodbye to window chaos with DoorDock. Next, let's talk about Ice, a better way to keep your menu bar clean and organized. If you've ever used Bartender 5, you know it's great, but it's also not free. Ice offers similar functionality with some added customization options that really make it stand out. Ice allows you to customize the look of your menu bar in several ways. You could choose between ellipse sides, squared off sides, and even change the color of the bar to match your style. There are also options to add a border or a shadow, giving your menu bar a unique and polished look. One of the coolest features of Ice is the ability to split your menu bar into 2 sections or keep it as one full bar. This makes organizing your icons even easier, fitting your workflow perfectly. Ice also lets you set up a hidden menu that opens up when needed and an always hidden menu for those icons you don't want cluttering your screen. This way you could keep your workspace as minimal or as accessible as you like. With these customization options, Ice not only helps you keep your menu bar tidy, but also lets you personalize it to fit your aesthetic and organizational preferences. If you love keeping an eye on your system's performance, Stats is a must-have. This app replaces iStats menu, giving you the same detailed system metrics like CPU usage, remaining battery, network speed, and more, right in your menu bar. What's great about Stats is the granularity of the data it provides. You can monitor your CPU usage, check your battery health on your Bluetooth devices, and even track real-time network activity. Plus, it's an open source project, which means regular updates and improvements from the community. It includes everything from a quick dashboard to show you basic information to precise customization of each category, ranging from your modules, your widgets, your pop-ups, and even notifications you can set up for specific components in your Mac. Customization includes everything from how frequently it updates information to color control of your widget to the pop-up and more. For instance, if you're a video editor, you can monitor CPU usage during rendering. Or, if you upload large files, you could track your network speeds to ensure everything's running smoothly. Developers can also use Stats to track system resource usage during software testing. You can customize Stats to display only the metrics you care about, making it a personalized tool for system monitoring. Monitor your Mac like a pro with Stats. Let's move on to App Cleaner, the ultimate tool for fully uninstalling apps. It's perfect for when you want to cleanly remove an app and all of its hidden files. If you want something extremely simple that can replace some of the features of Clean My Mac X, then this app is for you. App Cleaner doesn't just delete apps, it searches for all the leftover files that traditional uninstallers miss. This helps you maintain your system's performance over time, especially when dealing with large or complex apps. App Cleaner is great for freeing up disk space by removing old or unused apps that may still have some hidden files taking up space. It's also useful for restarting trial periods. It's simple, just uninstall the app and reinstall it to start fresh. Make App Cleaner part of your regular system maintenance routine to keep your Mac running smoothly and efficiently. Last but not least is Boring Notch, a tool that turns your MacBook's notch into something actually useful and fun. You can control music playback, view download progress, and monitor your battery life, as well as a file shelf, all from the Notch. Just wanted to mention, as of editing this video, Boring Notch has gone through a few pre-releases with minor and major updates. HUD control for volume and brightness is now an option, as well as clipboard history. Download progress is still to come, but back to the video. A free replacement to MediaMate, Dynamic Lake, and Notch Nook. And did I mention it's open sourced? Boring Notch is more than just a gimmick, it's a practical addition that makes the most out of your MacBook's unique design. The Notch can be customized with different widgets, such as quick access controls for media playback or shelves for files, making it more interactive. For example, you could use the Notch to control your music during focused work sessions or monitor download progress during large file transfers without disrupting your workflow. It's a fun and practical way to make the notch dynamic and useful. Right now, Boring Notch is limited to controlling music playback and monitoring your battery life, but go and support these guys because I think they're onto something actually fun and useful. And make sure you check for updates to expand its functionality, turning that notch into something exciting with Boring Notch. So there you have it. 5 must-have free Mac apps that are either perfect replacements for paid software or offer something completely unique. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out these videos here. This is You're the Hero. Peace.